Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, the Chima Dedicated Video Channel. In this short video, I want to show you how to convert a particular token to another token on Binance. This is one of the basic crypto tutorials for beginners. If you are going to do well as a crypto person, especially for beginners, you need to know some of these basics so you don't keep asking questions. A time will come in the course of your transactions and doing something on crypto online, you need to convert from one coin to the other. So how do you do it? Now, I'm going to use here this Binance as an example. In other exchanges, there's a way to do them, but Binance is peculiar. Now, let's go about it. Now, when you look at this, my interface on Binance, if you look at down here, you're going to see where we have home, markets, trade, features, and wallets. So you're going to find the function we're looking for under trade. If you don't go through trade on Binance, you'll be making mistake. In other exchanges, it may not be trade you're going to click on. You go through other pages to get it, but here it's under trade. So let's click on trade. Now assuming I'm here, so when you look at, once you come here, you discover that you have a place where you have the token you are converting from and the token you are converting to. And if it's placed wrongly, you can still change it by clicking here. If I click here now, BNB will go up, USDT will go down. I don't want to do that. Now, assuming I want to convert my coin from USDT to BNB, but if that's not what I want to do, maybe it's USDT to another coin. Once I click inside this column now, inside this drop-down menu, it will give me a lot of coins. I'll choose. Even the USDT, whatever coin I click inside that place, I choose the coin I want. So it's not like it must be whatever. Just for instance now, if you click here, see all the coins. If the coins are still, you can click on search and search at the coin you're looking for. But eventually, as it is this USDT I want to convert to something else. So I choose it, and I have some whatever there. And then I want to convert it to BNB. What if it's not BNB? I can still click inside this place and then choose the coin I want to convert to. But for now, it is that BNB. So I go back to it. Then the next thing you do, if you have USDT, for now, what I have here in my USDT under whatever that is not the ones on N package is this amount, 4.50 whatever. If I want all of them, that's where I click on maximum. That's I want convert everything for me. But if it's not that I don't want all of them, I'll be able to go here and type the amount I want. I won't put maximum. I will be the one to type the exact amount of the USDT I have that I want to convert to BNB. Once I've done this, the system will show me the equivalent of this amount of USDT to BNB. Look at it, 4.500043 whatever USDT is equivalent to 0.00724969 BNB. I'm okay with this. What do I do next? I'm going to click on trade. It's like trading. I've swapped it. The other places will say swap and all that. So that's exactly what it is. So I click on trade. Watch. Now, you see what the system is saying? Confirmation. Confirm immediately. Don't waste time. I do confirmation. Now, I see what the system says. System failed to execute the quote which has expired. Please request for quotes again. There's no problem. It's not going to kill anybody. Why in the course of wasting time, you could miss it. So, look at it. Refresh. What you see happening here is network. It's network that affected what I'm doing now, which I know very well. It has worked. You see it. The conversion is now completed. See it. It has happened. So that's exactly how to do it. Now let's check what I've just done. Go back. You see that since I use all the USDT, if you go back to my wallet now, go back to wallet. On those pages down there, you see the last page here, wallet. You're going to see the USDT is gone. I see. Now, formally here under the wallet, you're not seeing BNB. Therefore, something that was on USDT has gone to BNB. Now, USDT will be very, very far, or you may not see because it has not come. Now, look at it. What's remaining here? What this 1.69 you see here is the part of my USDT that is in the end that it was staked. So it's not part of what I converted. is staked. That's why you're still seeing a post. So that thing I converted has turned to BNB. So it's now on BNB because maybe I want to use the BNB for something. That's why I converted my coin. Very simple. It's so simple. In fact, there are so many exchanges there that their swapping is difficult. So if you are finding it difficult, just push your coin to Binance and do this swapping on Binance. It's always easier here. So that's exactly how to go about it. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. We'll bring updates training like this, especially for crypto newbies. Like this video and share this video. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.